Good afternoon, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This is Miles from Pure Investments, and today I'm going to give you a demo of our new web app. So, this new web app is a series of free and premium tools, all for cryptocurrency trading. And what we intend to is provide a lot of free features over time so that our traders can learn how to trade, they can access our resources, learn how to use indicators, get some ideas of what's a good buy or not. Just general things to help out our community, as these are features people have been asking for a while. So let's hop in. First of all, this platform works incredibly on desktops, tablets, phones, you name it. So you can use this on any platform. It has a responsive design, so it's going to look neat on no matter what device you use. Just so you know, you could trade on the go and such. I know I love trading on my phone. So let's get started. Here's our home view. Here you can view the subscriptions you own. Again, just note, a lot of our tools on this web app are free, so you do not need to subscribe to access most of the features. However, we do have some additional things such as trading signals and alerts that we do provide for a premium fee. This will show you what you're subscribed to. Currently I'm on an account that doesn't have anything, so it says subscribe for all of these, and these will link to the subscription page. We have our Discord, where you can easily join the hundreds of members in our Discord server. This shows our most recently successful signals. We've had some nice calls over the past couple days. It will show you the entries and the targets and such. And then just general announcements at the bottom. So let's move on to the free tools. So first of all is a cool feature, which is a volume watcher. Basically, this constantly scans the market for giant pumps within a small time frame. So if it's 5 minutes has passed or so and it notices a giant increase in volume, it will alert you, and then you can view the charts here. So let's click on ELF, for example. So yeah, clearly there was a big pump here, and the alert went off around this point. So honestly, if you went in around 3,500 sats, you could have made some good profit at 3,700. Now, I wouldn't always follow this very closely, but, you know, this is a good sign of accumulation, and I find that accumulation is a good indicator that the price might be moving. You know, the right person might know something is coming, or this could just tell you a pump just happened. Let's look at ADX for an example. See, so this signal would have gone through when it's already at the top. So this is something you might not want to participate in, but it is good to know when, you know, something is going on in the market. So yeah, that's the volume watcher. You could use it to trade or not, all up to you. And the next one is something people have been requesting for a long time, which is the indicators page. So you can select up to 5 time frames: 5 minute, 15 minutes, an hour, 4 hours, and 1 day. And it will show you just a few indicators and some automated calculations telling you whether it's a good buy or sell based on the time frame. So you can sort it by ranking. We have all the coins here. You'll get your pairing, you'll get the 24-hour change, and then, you know, just some patterns like head and shoulders. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Was there a double top? Is it bullish or bearish? And of course you can sort things. So right now it seems like these coins are bullish on the 1 hour mark, bearish and such. And then yeah, things change on the different time frames, so be careful of the time frames you're using, because calculations are different. So just because something's bullish on the 15 minutes probably means it's very short-term bullish, but you know, an hour could be very different. So please keep that in mind. This is something people might like a lot, and you can even click on a coin and it will show a chart down at the bottom if we scroll down. So play with this. This is connected to TradingView, so if you want to do some charting on it, you're also very welcome to. You can also even screenshot a preview to your TradingView account. So this is meant to be a panel that you could just use to help you make some trading decisions and hopefully spot out some good buys or sells. Our next free feature is our news aggregator. This grabs news from Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, and Reddit accounts for official coins and communities. It presents it in a fashion that's easy to navigate, so you could click on it just to go to an article, but I won't do that now. And you could scroll down, and this is just the news over the time. It will tell you the headline, a bit of the text, and where it came from, when it was published. So this is just an interesting way to find your information very easily and quickly, because I know there's a lot of sources people look at. This is something very helpful to me because I could just open up this page and get up to date with the news very quickly. So now we're going to move on to our premium features. So we have our signals page. This shows signals that are open for our premium members, and what's displayed depends on your subscription. So we have Leverage Trader, which is just BitMEX pairings. Right now I don't have any of that shown. This is just the altcoins one. But you know, we have signals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. We have signals for altcoins. We have signals for BitMEX contracts. So depending on what you have, it will display signals, and you can see the cards. It will have your entries, stop loss, target 1, target 2. It'll say what date it was created. These ones were done very recently. And you could scroll down and it will tell you if a target was hit or if a stop loss was triggered and what kind of loss it was. And basically, yeah, this will show the signals. These don't have any progress yet as they were just made yesterday. But you can sort by the ones that get marked inactive, so if they were complete, active ones, so ones that haven't hit any targets yet. And yeah, that's basically the signals. You can also view them by date by published, by target, by pairing, just stuff that makes it very easy. And again, this looks all mobile friendly, so it's very nice to use this on any platform you want. And lastly, we have a message board. So this is another thing for our publications. This is a way for our analysts to reach out and provide instant updates to the market for our users. So basically, this can be follow-up on stuff. This was talking about a PAX call. We can see that something happened on Binance recently, so one of our analysts, Smith, gave an update on PAX and how it may affect the call. And then he put another alert saying that our accumulation zone was filled for ENG, and we can click View Media. He provided an image in a chart so we could see it entering the buy zone. You could close this. You know, he's talking about what's happening with the market, how alts are going to be affected by the major drop in Bitcoin, just to keep everyone up to date with stuff. And you know, what you have access to all depends on the publications you own. Leverage Trader is specifically for BitMEX contracts, so you could click View Media. It says Tron another leg, and it shows the options. We can see like the different risk-reward ratios here, and just a message to accumulate with that. And luckily the Tron targets hit, so that's very exciting. And you can get all of these as instant updates. You'll be notified on your phone, your desktop, whichever platform you use. And that's basically the gist of it. So this is our platform as of right now. We're planning on adding features every single month. We have some ideas for a lot of new free features that we want you guys to use, so continue using it. You know, if you have any suggestions, please let us know. We're happy to develop anything that you may find interesting for this, and hope to see you on our platform and in our community. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll check you out later.